There, this is a quick video walkthrough of how to submit your first lab assignment. And this is for the fall 2020 semester Calculus 2 course at Los Medanos College, taught by Professor Gonzalinajec. So I'm here on the main Canvas page, and you're going to click Ready to Start Learning, or even here on the modules. Either one, you'll get to the same place. Then you're going to go past Module 0 to Module 1. And here's the Module 1 lab assignment. You should have filled out this document manually, and then you're going to click on Take the Quiz once you have filled out this whole thing manually. This is a big warning: do not start the quiz unless this is completely done. You will likely get the quiz questions wrong, and there are no exceptions. Whatever you turn in is the score you get, so do not start the quiz until this is completely written in by hand. Then you're going to answer your questions here, so select things from the drop-down menu, so on. Type in some kind of free response here. It looks like I'm asking you to explain your solution here, whether or not this statement is true and false. Here's other randomly selected problems, and here you'll actually be giving me numbers. And then, of course, we have a few more problems. Then finally, you get here to this upload problem. And this is where you upload just one PDF document. It has to adhere to the file upload guidelines for PDFs. If you submit multiple pages, if you submit JPEGs, if pages are sideways, if I can't read them, if it's blurry, if it's shaded, if for any single reason whatsoever it causes a delay to make it more difficult to grade, or it is not submitted in this exact manner, I will not grade it, and this question will get a 0, and this is half credit. Please don't think about it as being penalized for easy things. Think of it as getting freebie points. Think about it. What other college math course do you get freebie points just for knowing how to submit a PDF online and writing neatly and making sure it's legible? You are getting freebie points in your math grade for doing something that's not math related. So you're going to choose your file here, upload it, and once you've chosen your PDF file, so let's say this is my PDF file, and I hit choose. Clearly that's not the lab assignment for this, section. Once you've done all of that and answered every single question on this quiz with answers identical to what you wrote on your paper, then you can hit Submit Quiz. And right now it's warning me that I haven't answered the questions. If you get that warning, hit cancel, because you will not get another opportunity to submit the quiz. It will automatically grade the problems that I submitted manually. As you can see here, I'm getting very poor marks because I didn't answer any questions. And then I can look at your submission right here. And I'm going to reiterate again, it has to follow these guidelines here exactly, and the file upload guidelines. Some important things to remember: if it's sideways, if the pages are out of order, if they're blurry, if they're difficult to read, if you upload multiple documents, if you upload any document that's in a format other than PDF, you will get a 0 completely for this section. I hope this video shed some light on how to submit this assignment.